BBC iPlayer issues on BT YouView boxes are a common frustration for UK viewers. Today, we'll explore the most effective quick fixes to get your streaming back on track. BT YouView operates on a hybrid broadcast broadband system that combines traditional TV signals with internet-delivered content. This dual approach creates multiple potential failure points. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is performing a basic system reset. This involves unplugging your BT YouView box for 30 seconds and restarting your home router. Ensure your router and modem connections are secure. A proper network setup is crucial for stable streaming performance. Internet speed is critical for BBC iPlayer performance. You need at least 2.8 megabits per second for HD content, though higher speeds provide better stability. If basic resets don't work, refreshing the BBC iPlayer app often resolves crashes and freezing issues. This involves removing and reinstalling the app from the YouView App Store. These quick fixes resolve the majority of common BBC iPlayer issues, including app crashes, freezing, login errors, and streaming interruptions. Most problems stem from network connectivity or app cache issues. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your BBC iPlayer issues on BT YouView, advanced techniques can help identify and fix deeper problems. We'll explore network optimization, system updates, and account management solutions. First, let's optimize your network connection. Quality of service settings on your router can prioritize streaming traffic, ensuring BBC iPlayer gets the bandwidth it needs for smooth playback. For the most stable connection, use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This eliminates wireless interference and provides consistent bandwidth for streaming high-quality content. Next, update your router firmware and configure DNS settings. Using BBC-recommended DNS servers like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1 can improve connection reliability and resolve authentication issues. For account and authentication problems, completely log out of your BBC account and clear any stored cookies. Verify your account status on the BBC website and relink your BT and BBC accounts through the YouView settings menu. Keep your YouView box firmware updated by navigating to Settings, then System, and selecting Software Update. This ensures you have the latest compatibility fixes and security patches for BBC iPlayer. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but remember to back up your recordings first. Also ensure your YouView box has proper ventilation to prevent overheating, which can cause streaming issues and hardware failures. These advanced troubleshooting techniques should resolve most persistent BBC iPlayer issues on your BT YouView box. Remember to work through these solutions systematically, starting with network optimization before moving to more drastic measures like factory resets.